The foot pegs on the 2022 KLR650 are soft, spongy, and have a vague feel. Stick around, we're going to show you how to fix it. Hello everyone, and thank you for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and today we're showing you a simple remedy to fix the soft, mushy, and vague feel of the stock foot pegs on the 2022 KLR650. If you haven't yet, be sure to check out our first ride review. We had a test rider go out and put this thing through a lot of miles on his first day. And one of the first things that he talked about and noticed was the foot pegs. So the stock foot pegs on this new model, I've got one right here actually. So the foot peg itself is mostly rubber, and the foot peg mounts are rubber mounted. And what we notice, what that does, it gives just a soft, mushy, vague foot peg feel, something that you don't want. In fact, when he would stand up on the foot pegs, he could feel them flexing and almost felt like the foot pegs were bending down, which is not something that you want. That's not gonna put you in the correct riding position. And so we said, you know what, we gotta fix this. This is not gonna be okay with us, especially if you are gonna be riding in more aggressive scenarios. You don't want your foot pegs flexing like that. So what we've done is we've come up with this hard mounted foot peg conversion kit. So what this will include are just new washers, bushings, and bolts, and it's a simple remedy. So you're still gonna utilize the stock OEM foot peg mounts, but what we do is we include these bushings and the washers that convert it to a hard mounted, so that eliminates all that flex that you get with the stock foot pegs. So again, it's a very good upgrade to put for this motorcycle. It's inexpensive, and trust me, if you ride this thing with the stock pegs and the foot peg mounts, you'll know exactly what we're talking about. Now, another thing to keep in mind too, is that even if you get this kit, it'll still utilize the stock foot pegs, but like I mentioned, these foot pegs are rubber, and even these, you can see I can just press on the top of these. They're soft, they're mushy. It's just not what you're looking for, especially again, like I said, for aggressive riders, being that they are rubber, probably not gonna give you the amount of grip that you would want on a foot peg as well. So that being said, you can see on this bike right now, we have the IMS foot pegs on here. We also have our Tusk foot pegs that you could use as well. And we do have kits available. So if we wanna pick up this hard mounted kit, along with foot pegs, you can grab those both at the same time. But again, last thing, like I said, if you have a KLR650, if you don't like the feel, the vagueness, and the mushiness of the stock foot pegs, you want to get rid of that, go with this kit. Simple, easy fix, very easy to install, and it'll fix all your worries with that. If you do have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure leave those in the comment section below. To grab yours today, just simple click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Like I said, this kit is for the 2022 and newer models. So just enter the year, make, and model on the product page when you're picking yours up. You'll be ready to rock. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And as always, if you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. And like I said, if you haven't yet, watch our first impressions that we've done on this bike. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.